Do you need another key for your Ford F-150? I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to make a spare key right at home. And what's more, you're going to save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the car dealership. The specific programming procedures I'm demonstrating today work for Ford F-150s from 2004 to 2014. And it also works for F-250s and F-350s from 2008 to 2016. The same process works for lots of other Ford vehicles as well. So watch how easy it is to program a spare key with the help of Tom's Key Company. Be sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you this amazing key by photo key cutting technology. Before we get started, let's call the Ford dealership to find out how much they want to rip me off for a spare key. While I wait on hold with the dealership, watch how easy this is. We're going to plug the cable in. Come look near your gas and brake pedal somewhere. You'll see the OBD2 port like this to connect with your vehicle computer. In the box you'll find this simple key programmer and you'll find the instruction manual. You got to come find your vehicle. In this case we've got an F150 2011 and so it tells me I need position number 8. So I'm going to get my easy installer, turn the dial and point it to number 8. Okay, notice there's a security seal. Sometimes there's manufacturing errors. In this case, the seal didn't fully stick down. Saw some stuff got missed there. So don't worry about it. If you see lots of void labels on the back that it's been removed, you should reach out, get a replacement. Once this is plugged into your vehicle, it will only pair keys for this particular vehicle. You can pair several different keys. On this one, you can pair up to 4 different keys with this programmer. I recommend you make sure your headlights are off. You don't want to drain the battery as this can take up to 10 minutes to program. So the user guide will walk you through step by step. We're going to take our new key that's been cut. Key by photo service did wonders. Put it in the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. All doors are locked. We're going to plug our simple key programmer into the OBD2 port. That's where that extension cable comes in handy. A little easier to reach. Okay, with it plugged in, we need to push the button on the end of our programmer right here, and we'll hear it beep to let you know programming started. Okay, it beeped, and we have to wait 10 minutes. So I'm going to start this timer and get it going. On tomskey.com, we also sell this tile key finder that connects to your key ring and then pairs with your smartphone. Since this will take a while, I'm going to fast forward and cut out the video to get to the completion of pairing. Okay, we've almost reached 10 minutes, so be listening for the simple key programmer to make a tone and let us know that it's successfully programmed the key. There we go. Did you hear that? The locks clicked and the programmer toned. So now we can turn it off, unplug the programmer, remove the key from the ignition, and let's put it in and start the vehicle. There we go. Just like that. This simple key programmer did the trick. Programmed the vehicle. In the meantime, let's check on that phone call to the car dealership. Hi, I'm trying to find out how much it costs to get a spare key made on F-150.
It's pretty expensive. What year is the vehicle?
It's a 2014. I've got the VIN if you need it.
Actually, we're not able to make keys for vehicles over 10 years old.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, thank you for the info. Appreciate it.
Of course. Have a good one.
You too. Did you hear that? The first Ford dealership told me they can't even make a spare key for a vehicle more than 10 years old. What's with that? Try another one. We'll come back to this call later. Now that we've successfully programmed our new key, we need to make sure the remote buttons work. Sometimes your vehicle will actually program the buttons through the simple key programmer. Let's check this one. Okay, it didn't program them, so we're going to turn to our instruction manual and this key pairing part 2. There's 2 methods, A and B. We're going to start with method A. It's going to show us how to program the remote buttons. We're going to press the unlock button on the driver's door panel and then insert the key into the ignition. Unlock, key goes in the ignition. We need to turn the key 8 times within 10 seconds and on the 8th time end on the run position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we heard it cycle. Press any button on our remote. Okay, door lock cycled. We're going to take our old existing remote, press the button, turn the key to the off position. Okay, we heard the lock cycle. The buttons are now paired on this. Okay, so here's our freshly paired remote. Lock, unlock. Okay. You saw just how easy it is to use the simple key programmer to program yourself a new key. You can program up to 4 keys for this Ford F-150 with this single programmer. There's also an 800 number in case you really get stuck and can't get success. Can you believe how easy it was to make a spare key for this F-150 truck? Be sure you add our optional key by photo key cutting service. It's pretty cool. You're gonna snap 3 photos of your key blade, get your phone directly above it, get those 3 photos with the phone right above the key blade, send it in, and then with the magic of our key by photo technology, we're gonna cut your new key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. Let's see how the phone call with the car dealership is going.
Parts.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what it costs to get another key made on a 2014 F-150.
Do you happen to know the last 8 of the VIN number?
Yeah, I do. 3235.
The key itself, you're looking at 177.14, and if you get a program to your car, that's an additional 249.
430. Okay. Ooh, a little spending. How long does it take to do that? How long do I need to be down there?
Just an hour or two.
Hour or two. Okay. Super. All right. Well, thank you so much for the info. I'll figure out what I'm doing. Can you believe that? $430 to make a spare key at the Ford dealership, and they want me to spend an hour or two of my life down there in the dealership. Who knows what else they're going to try to sell me while I'm there? This is crazy. Come to tomskey.com. You'll save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the dealership. Now, if you run into problems while you're making your key, no worries. We have great customer service. Just visit help.tomskey.com, or in the instructions, there's phone numbers. They're open regular business hours, and that phone number can help get you to technical support to solve any trouble you run into while programming your spare key. But if for some reason we can't get your spare key working, we still have you covered. We have a full money back guarantee. So if we just can't get the key working, no worries. You ship everything back, you get a full refund. It is that easy. So come to tomskey.com and place an order for your spare key and programming kit today. Be sure to look for our Ultimate Key Bundle sets. That has everything you need. It includes the programming, the car key, and the key by photo key cutting technology. We'll ship everything to you. You'll have a spare key made in no time. And what's more, you will save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the Ford dealership.